Good morning, Tony Maritato here. Welcome to the Total Knee Replacement Support Group YouTube channel. In this video, I want to answer a common question we get in the clinic. So the other day I was talking to a patient. She had undergone a double total hip replacement in early 2019. Right now it's October 2020, so this has been well over 18 months. And she was told at the last follow-up, which was over a year ago, that she was never allowed to do a lunge. Now, I've been fortunate enough to work with this individual for a couple months after surgery. Then we had worked together for several years prior to surgery. So I'm very familiar with this case, and I know this individual. She happens to live by herself. She is a widow. She's been kind of the one responsible for taking care of everything around the house, doing the laundry, mowing the grass, caring for like basic household maintenance. To tell this person she's never able to lunge again isn't really taking into account the lifestyle, the context around what this person needs to do. Now, I'm not blaming the person who said that to her. Certainly, if I was only going to see a patient once or twice for 5 or 10 minutes, the easiest thing for me to do to maximize what I think is safe is to say, don't ever do this or don't ever do that. But the reality is we have the great fortune as physical therapists to spend hours, sometimes months with an individual. We get to know all of the things that our clients need to do, all their idiosyncrasies, all their nasty little habits. And so we understand, hey, okay, it's not realistic to say you can't ever lunge when you live by yourself and you're responsible for all of your self-care needs. So rather than doing that, let's figure out why we have to protect certain movements and find other ways to work through and around the limitations you have. You know, the real value in a great physical therapist isn't so much their ability to make you do something. The great value in a physical therapist is in their ability to figure out how to allow you to do everything. Because at the end of the day, why did you have the hip replacement? To reduce pain and improve function. Why did you have the knee replacement? To reduce pain and improve function. So if you're then told you can't do something, it's not the reason you had surgery in the first place. So my advice to you is nothing is off the table. I know there are absolutely limitations to the implants and the prosthesis and the hardware that's being used, but that does not mean you can't do something. Later this week, I'm hoping to bring out some new videos for high-functioning, highly active individuals who have had joint replacements. I want to talk about doing burpees after a total knee or a total hip replacement. I want to talk about doing sprawls and push-ups and kettlebell swings and all of that stuff after joint replacements, because I think that's an important component, especially for those of you who have had joint replacements in your 30s, 40s, and 50s. So guys, as always, thank you so much for being part of the channel. Thank you so much for supporting the community. We've just passed 4,000 subscribers on the channel as of yesterday. I want to make a big push to get past 5,000 subscribers before the end of the year. So if you're still watching and you haven't subscribed, please take a minute, click the subscription button, turn on notifications, and help me support this community so we can keep bringing free content out to you. As always, guys, thank you so much, and I'll catch you on the next video.